Hi guys, what's up? What's up, guys? I'm really stressed now. I'm looking for Kiki, and it's been 2 hours. She left all your phones here, and she's not home. And now it's dark. These are her phones, and she's not home. I don't know where she is. It's been 2 hours. I was thinking maybe she's hiding somewhere, but it seems like she's not here. She's not here, guys. I'm looking for her, and I'm even thinking of calling Anna mom's Kumosha. It's now dark, guys. Like, it's dark. It's dark and it's very cold. I'm thinking maybe she's hiding somewhere, but I can't see her. I can't find her. I don't even know where she is. Like, guys, and it's very cold. She left all her phones in the house. I don't even know where she is. I'm very stressed. I'm thinking of calling Anna mom's and also to call the police. What's the problem is maybe, let me check this side. I don't know if you can see, guys, because it's really dark outside here. There's no one. Maybe in the car. I need to take the keys and check in the car, but I don't think she's in the car. I'm really stressed, guys. It's been 2 hours and I can't see her. Let me check all the rooms in the closet. Don't mind the junk, guys. Maybe I must search in the wardrobes. I can't show you our wardrobes. Inside the wardrobes, I don't even know where she is. I can't even call her, and it's so stressing. If it's a girl, she must stop it. There's no one. I'm just checking now on camera, but I've been checking everywhere. There's no one in my office. I was in my office all alone, and there's no one here. I don't even know where she is. And it's really stressing, guys. It's really stressing. Really stressing. Who is this? Baby, you must stop it. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out. What are you doing? I'm looking for you. Baby, don't do it. Don't do that, baby. Come out.
Coming out from where?
Come out. Come out, baby. Don't do that, man.
Please don't
You see now.
me. Don't disturb
Come
me.
out, baby.
Don't disturb me. I'm still enjoying
My heart. My heart. But I have been calling you. Why? Like, what were you doing there? What were you doing?
I was sleeping. I was busy enjoying my table bought for me by my husband. Baby, my husband bought this table for me.
So what?
It's nice table.
So, but why are you hiding there?
I wasn't hiding. I was just sleeping.
I was calling you. You were supposed to just answer. You were
I was sleeping. I said I was sleeping. And even right now, you even disturb me. Yes. Switch off that thing. You're disturbing me. I want to enjoy. I want to feel it, Like, we are bonding, This is a new thing in the house. New thing in the house. So we're still bonding. Come on.
Baby, don't stop it. Stop it. Baby, let's go to the bedroom, baby. What? Baby, I've been looking for you. Do you know that?
Don't make me angry.
2 hours. But not good. All right, it's fine. I found her, guys. It's okay.
Honey,
I'm married to a very big problem. I've married to a very big This is a problem.
Which problem?
Yeah, problem,
Is it a problem? Is it a crime that I'm bonding with my tail? Does it know that baby? It must know this tape that it is not in the store anymore. It is now in my house and I'm now the owner. So it needs to get to know me. I need to get to know it. I need to feel it, Allow me to relax, to enjoy. My husband loves me. He bought this for me. So please, he said, Mommy, I want to buy you a a coffee table.
I can't listen to this nonsense. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Let me go sleep. It's okay. Don't stress.